Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. You're here with you guys today presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the last 24 hours. Guys, don't forget, if you enjoy this content, make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you're subscribed on our YouTube channel and also click the notification bell for brand new videos in the future. Immediately, let's start off with the fear and greed index for Bitcoin. We're currently at around extreme fear at around 23. Yesterday we were at 21, and last week we were just at the fear level, but now we're in extreme fear once again for this week. The markets have been dumping. We're definitely going to discuss that today, and we're going to also discuss how low can this bear market go, so stay tuned for that towards the end of the video. Immediately we start off with Bitcoin's current price at around $19,000 a pop. Yesterday we had this massive candle with this large wick towards the downside, all the way down to $18,250, creating a new local low down here. We had this low here, and now we had a new local low, but it was a wick. The body didn't close down there. We're still above key support levels of $18,773. So we have to stay tuned to see what Bitcoin is going to decide to do. Massive wick green candle yesterday, but today we do see that there's been continuation towards the downside. We came down here, touched the support level, still holding strong, showing strength. We do see a little wick here, but the candle's bearish, negative red. So we have to see and stay tuned to see how the candle's going to close by the end of the day today. With regards to the weekly chart, again, we're still below the 200-week moving average, so that's bearish, and we're currently below the key resistance here of $19,550, give or take a couple of extra bucks here. We do see that this weekly candle came right up here and touched that resistance, and then we do see the wick, the sell pressure below that. So for now it's currently confirming that level as resistance. We're gonna have to wait and see how the candle is gonna close by the end of the week. And then we wick down here, but we're currently still above the $18,600 key support level on the weekly chart. So again, just stay tuned to see in the next couple of days, in the next week or two, how this this candle is going to react by the end of Sunday when it closes, and the other weekly candles from there on out, to see if we confirm other key resistance and support levels. On the Bitcoin dominance chart, we do see that we came right back up here to retest this previous local high, and we're showing clear resistance at around that 41.58% level. A lot of resistance there. We came right back down to touch this key support level, 40.69%. So for now we're ranging in between. We just have to wait and see if we're gonna break the support down and retest either this a pivot low here or the local low down here to retest those levels, or if we're going to hold and try and break this key resistance level here for the Bitcoin dominance. So we have to wait and see, and that's highly dependent on how altcoins fluctuate against Bitcoin. So we'll stay tuned in the next couple of days. With regards to the DXY, we do see here that since the local top, basically we can draw this trend line here where we came back down to retest that blue uptrend here, the trend line, and we came up and created this wedge here where we see that for 4 consecutive days we were in this mini downtrend here. But today we broke out. The candle hasn't closed yet. We do see clear resistance at around 110.25 on the DXY. We do see the wick here, so a lot of resistance here, and also these that's 6 interaction points with the 110.25. So that's a key level. If we break to the upside, we expect to come up here, maybe come back down and retest it, and then break towards a new local high, or we can have resistance and come back down here, to test these lower inflection points to see if those support levels are going to hold as well. So stay tuned. The DXY had a break. There's some fundamental events occurring this week with the FOMC, the Fed, and usually those things do have some sort of impact on the markets. That's the truth. But we analyze the charts, and for now we see a break of this blue downtrend line here, this mini downtrend. So we have to see if the DXY is going to hold. Stay tuned. In the next couple of days we'll definitely provide an update with regards to that. So regarding the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world, their performance during the last 24 hours. We see Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around $19,000, down 2.55%. Then we have Ethereum, currently at $1,350, down 0.73%. Then let's actually click on watch list here, take away those stable coins, always at around $1. We have BNB, number 3, currently at around $268, down 0.16%. Then we have number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 0.41 cents, up 5%. And then number 5, we have Cardano at around 44 cents, down 2.51%. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing cryptos in the last 24 hours. Immediately, let's start off with number 1, Helium. The balloon coin, currently at around $5.17, up 10.56%. Number 2, Stellar. That coin sounds like, you know, we're in the stars or something in space. XLM, currently at around 11 cents a pop, up 6.35%. Then we currently have as number 3, the scam is currently here. The top 5 best performing assets, man, interesting. And we reviewed that, you know, it's a top 5 coins, you guys already know. Then number 4 is Algorand Algo, currently at around 33 cents, up 5.14%. And then we have number 5 to round it off, Compound at around $55 a pop, up 3.67%. Then the top 5 worst performing assets during the last 24 hours. We immediately start with the space coin, Atom Cosmos, currently at around $14.20, down 8.63%. Then we have number 2, Raven coin, the bird coin, currently at around 4 cents per coin, and it's actually down 7.72%. Then we have number 3, Terra Luna, the moon coin, the scam, currently at around $2.68, down 7.53%. And then number 4, we have the monkey coin, ApeCoin, at around $5.65, down 7.21%. Then to round it off, we have Chainlink, the OG, currently at around $7 a pop, down 4.84%. Today's video is all about how low can we go in this bear market, Jay? You know, how low? This is a monthly chart. You know, there's a lot of lines, you support and resistance. That's what we're going to use mainly to identify how low we can go in this bear market. Again, this is all about probabilities. This is not official financial advice. No one's going to know the exact price of, you know, the tops, the bottoms, the precise lows, things of that nature, but it's just analyzing those key levels, where there's confluence, you know, key support and resistance levels. In this case, we're going to talk about the key and most important support level for Bitcoin. In our humble opinion, it has to be this blue line right here. Let's actually zoom in. Beautiful, beautiful chart, by the way. Guys, look at that. This blue line, we do see that we have the bodies here, in 2017. Also in 2019, we had this clear wick, this rejection here. A lot of sell pressure as we see that the bodies close below that key level. And then when we went on our previous bull market run in 2020, we do see that we came up to test that level, had resistance with the wick here, and then this candle also had it as support, as we can see the wick here as well. So when you do see wicks and support and resistance, you know, near that pivotal price level of 13.7K, give or take a couple of extra $100, you know, to us, that's that key level. You know, that's that key level. Doesn't mean that, you know, we can't go below that by a couple of extra $100 here and there. Of course, you know, that's the level, but who knows? We might, you know, come back down, even have a bounce, and then, you know, break down and even make, you know, 1,000 or 2,000 under. I highly doubt that we ever revisit, you know, 10K and below, but we never know, right? I mean, it's possible. 10K was a pivotal level as well, as you can see here with this green support level. A lot of candles interacting with this level, so anything's possible, right? But in our humble opinion, you know, we do see something more like we come down and then we bounce, you know, and then we would go towards the upside. But again, if we go lower, then we can come down to this key support level, you know, before breaking it, probably having a bounce. But that's massive, man. Imagine every one Bitcoin at $13,700, man. Wouldn't that be nice? That's a possibility. That's a possibility. That's what we see, you know, as that key level to be watching. If you would say, Jay, how low you think this bear market could go? I would clearly say anywhere from $13,000 to $14,000. Are we saying that necessarily we're gonna go visit those levels? No, we're talking about probabilities. You know, currently this as we can see here, this $17,500 area is key support. support. We see it back here, we see it over here as well, and this monthly candle here, and it seems like we're on track to go and retest those lows. We have to see if those hold. If they hold, then we'll never revisit these lows down here. If they don't hold, then those are the prices that we're eyeing around 13, 14k per BTC as a market cycle low. That's an extreme possibility, so keep that in mind, just to have an idea, guys. So again, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you guys like the video, sub to our YouTube channel. We have the description down below, a link to our website where you can find our other social networks and tools and resources that you would need in your crypto journey. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Have a good one.